From the future of off-grid luxury, greetings. The 2026 Hummer Motorhome is a vehicle that totally reinvents adventure. Built on the revolutionary GM Ultium EV chassis, this all-electric beast has a tri-motor all-wheel drive system with more than 1,000 horsepower and a 450-mile range. Its muscular, powerful form offers it a contemporary appearance without compromising the iconic Hummer style. With its massive 37-inch tires, advanced skid plates, and reinforced carbon fiber body, this vehicle is designed to dominate any terrain. It can maneuver into confined spaces that would normally stop other RVs in their tracks because of features like CrabWalk mode and four-wheel steering. You may carry this movable bastion of riches and power with you wherever you go in the world. The inside of the driver's cockpit is more like the command center of a spacecraft than a camper van. Everything is controlled by a massive 13.4-inch central touchscreen, including navigation and any off-grid equipment. It easily connects to a 12.3-inch digital driver display, providing you with instant access to all the crucial information you want. With up to 18 camera views and a live view below the car, UltraVision technology gives you the security you want. To ensure a comfortable ride, the AI Smart Hub Atlas, which manages the whole system, learns your habits and automates the car's functions. The large living space is where the Hummer Motorhome truly shines. A simple design and high-quality, eco-friendly materials were used to create an open-concept smart lounge. The building's entertainment system, heating system, and lighting are all controlled by voice and gesture. The ceiling is an amazing work of art, and it has a retractable rooftop drone bay for route scouting or taking breathtaking footage. When it's time to relax, a 65-inch TV silently hangs from the ceiling. Each passenger has a distinctive and captivating experience because of the speakers in the headrests and an advanced, multi-zone temperature management system. Just outside the lounge lies a peaceful haven. The bedroom features a large wraparound window that offers a panoramic view of the surroundings, as well as a king-size bed. The smart, linked bed adjusts to your body's needs, and an advanced audio system and ambient lighting provide the perfect setting for a restful night's sleep. The room has a ton of built-in storage in the walls and under the bed to keep everything tidy and organized. The restroom redefines luxury when traveling. You can spend a lot of time off the grid thanks to its ingenious water recycling system. And the massive rainfall shower is a lovely sight after a tiring day of traveling. The toilet is a modern, odorless compost system, and the vanity sink is sleek and straightforward. No matter where you travel, a fresh and cozy atmosphere is guaranteed by smart sensors that control the ventilation and lighting. The gourmet-style kitchen of the Hummer Motorhome demonstrates its commitment to freedom. A large refrigerator, a full-size induction cooktop, and a convection microwave oven are all powered by the car's massive battery. The countertops are made of a durable composite, and the smart pantry features a hydroponic garden that allows you to grow fresh greens while you're on the road. An integrated voice-activated coffee assistant ensures a consistently fresh brew.